How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on connections. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings, network reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset Bluetooth settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.